Good morning, beta. Yesterday we were doing chapter 2 polynomials. So let's continue with that. First exercise we have done. Second exercise we have done. And division we had started. Now let's do few more questions of the division. Example number 7 I am doing. Example 7. 3x raised to power 4, 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 will be divided by x minus 1. We have to divide this. What you will do, you will multiply x with which number to get 3x raised to power 4. So you will write 3x cube. And if you are not able to getting this, how we are finding this, then you can divide this number with x. X will cancel out 3x cube. So in the question, the first term will be 3x cube. So this is 3x raised to power 4. Second term, when you multiply this, it will be minus 3x cube. Sign change, cancel, sign change. Plus, minus, minus. Sign will be of the greatest. And the remaining two term will be copied same. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt in this step, beta? Now you have to find this by which number x should be multiplied to get this. X will cancel out minus 1x square. So you will write here minus 1x square. So after this you will get minus 1x cube. Second term minus minus plus 1x square. And x square term is missing here. So you will write plus 1x square at the last because we are not having like term of this. Now change the sign, plus minus minus. Now as you have changed the sign of this term, the sign of this term will also change because these two terms you have got by when you multiply this with the second term. तो जब आपने इसके साइन चेंज किए तो इसके भी करने हैं. इसका साइन क्या हो गया? माइनस 1x स्क्वायर minus 1x square minus 3x minus 1. Now you have to multiply x with which number to get this? So you will write minus x. Second term minus minus plus x. Sign change, plus minus cancel, minus minus plus, साइन बड़े वाले का. अब आप x को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे कि आपको minus 4x मिल जाए? मीन्स minus 4x को आप x से डिवाइड कर लो, minus 4 आ गया. तो here you will write minus 4. Minus 4x. Second term minus minus plus 4. Sign change, plus minus cancel, minus minus plus sign बढ़े वाले. Remainder is minus 5. Remainder is minus 5. So what does it mean? This x minus 1 is not the factor of this because this is not completely dividing your polynomial. Can we say that 1 is not the 0 of this polynomial? If x minus... Yes.
एक बार दोबारा बता दो.
Okay. x को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि 3x रेज टू पावर 4 आ जाए? 3x क्यूब से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. जब आप फर्स्ट टर्म को इससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे ये आ जाएगा. सेकेंड टर्म माइनस 1 को इससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे माइनस 3x क्यूब आ जाएगा. साइन चेंज हो गया, प्लस माइनस 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 कर दिया, साइन बड़े वाले का. सेकेंड टर्म के लिए आप x को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करो कि आपको माइनस 1x क्यूब मिल जाए? माइनस 1x स्क्वायर से करोगे. सेम वे में मल्टीप्लाई किया. इस टर्म को लास्ट में क्यों लिखा है? क्योंकि इस टर्म में एक्स स्क्वायर की टर्म मिसिंग है. तो एक्स स्क्वायर वाली लाइक टर्म नहीं है, तो इट विल बी रिटन एट द एंड बिकॉज नो टर्म इज देयर. तो आई कैन राइट हियर 0x. तो प्लस माइनस 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 करोगे तो माइनस 1 नहीं आएगा. जब आप 0 में से 1 को माइनस करोगे तो माइनस, ये देखो ना ऐसे हो गया, माइनस 1x स्क्वायर. तो ये आ गया. एंड दीज टू टर्म विल बी सेम. Harry, do you have any other doubt? except this Dhैर्य. Okay, now see one more example. That is your example number 8. Then after that we will start with the exercise. Example number 8, that is again of different type because terms are missing, and whatsoever terms are missing you will write them at the end. Now example number 8 is x cube plus 1 divided by x plus 1. x को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि x क्यूब मिल जाए? x स्क्वायर से करेंगे, ये बन गया x क्यूब. सेकेंड टर्म 1 को इससे करेंगे 1x स्क्वायर, x स्क्वायर इज मिसिंग 1x स्क्वायर. इज इट ओके? साइन चेंज कैंसिल, ये आ गया -1x स्क्वायर प्लस 1. ये पहले आ जाएगा क्योंकि ये ग्रेटर है, ये लास्ट में आ जाएगा. x को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि -1x स्क्वायर मिल जाए? -x से करेंगे -1x स्क्वायर. No need to write 1. If you still want to write, you can write. Second is plus x. Sorry, minus x. 1 को इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे -x. Sign change. This term is greater than this. Then this term will be written first with plus sign, and this term will be copied same. x plus 1. x को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें? That you will again get 1. एक और बात सुन लो, डिवीजन तब तक चलती है जब तक इसकी डिग्री सेम है या ग्रेटर है. इसकी डिग्री 1 है, इसकी डिग्री 1 है, तो yes, still division will go on. You will multiply it with 1. X plus 1 sign change cancel. So this is your question, and x plus 1 is the factor of this term. And one more thing, if x plus 1 is the factor, if you equate this equal to 0, then -1 is the 0 of this polynomial. Be careful about this thing, that whatsoever is asked in the question, if it is factor, if they are talking about the factor, then you will write x plus 1 is the factor. And if they are talking about the 0, then -1 is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Now, after this, let's start with the one more thing is there. Now listen one thing. कल मैंने आपको बताया था कि अगर क्वेश्चन आ जाए फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ या फाइंड द रिमाइंडर आ जाए तो सेम है. इसका क्या मतलब है? आपके पास पेज नंबर 39 पे रिमाइंडर थ्योरम लिखी है. अगर आपके पास एक पॉलिनोमियल है, कोई भी पॉलिनोमियल है, ठीक है, कोई भी लिखा नहीं हुआ, तो कहता है x माइनस ए इसका फैक्टर होगा, तो मतलब x की वैल्यू क्या होगी? a. और a को यहाँ पुट करने पर जो यहाँ आंसर आएगा दैट इज योर रिमाइंडर. आपको याद है कल हमने किया था, 1 था या 2 था, जो भी आप यहाँ पुट करोगे तो जो आंसर आएगा दैट विल बी योर रिमाइंडर. सो दिस इज द रिमाइंडर थ्योरम कि अगर x माइनस ए इसका फैक्टर है तो x की वैल्यू a पुट करने पर जो भी आपको आंसर मिलेगा दैट विल बी योर रिमाइंडर. या फाइंड द वैल्यू आ जाए सेम है. ओके. नाउ यू विल राइट दिस रिमाइंडर थ्योरम ऑन द पेज नंबर 39 इन योर फेयर नोटबुक. You will write this in the introduction part. Remainder theorem you will write. Mark it down. Remainder theorem given on page number 39. You will write the statement as it is. Now example number 9 is you have given x raised to power 4 x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 and x minus 1. आपको कहते हैं find the remainder when this polynomial is divided by x minus 1. Find the remainder when this polynomial is divided by x minus 1. तो आपने क्या करना है? डिवाइड नहीं करना, you will use directly remainder theorem. ये पॉलिनोमियल है, इसको नेम दे दो px. ये क्या है? x minus a है. ये क्या है? x minus a. You will equate this equal to 0. x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 1. तो ये 1 की वैल्यू आप यहाँ पुट कर दोगे पॉलिनोमियल. x कितना है? 1. तो जहां जहां x दिखाई दे रहा है आप 1 पुट कर दो. 1 minus 2 plus 2 कैंसिल, आंसर आ गया 2. तो 2 इज द रिमाइंडर. 2 इज द. अगर बच्चे क्वेश्चन आता फाइंड द वैल्यू, तब भी आप ऐसे ही करते जो दिया था पुट करना था. ठीक है, तो सेम ही किया बिल्कुल. बट द क्वेश्चन इज डिफरेंट. दिस इज द रिमाइंडर थ्योरम. x माइनस ए गिवन है, उसको इक्वल टू 0 किया, x की वैल्यू आ गई a, ये a वैल्यू यहाँ x की जगह पुट कर दो, ये रिमाइंडर आ गया आपका 2. ओके, this is your example number 9. Now see example number 10. In example number 10, you have again given a polynomial 4t cube plus 4t square minus t minus 1, that is polynomial in t. आपके पास दिया हुआ. Check whether the polynomial is a multiple of 2t plus 1. क्या ये पॉलिनोमियल इसका मल्टीपल है? क्या ये 2t plus 1 इसका फैक्टर है या ये इसका मल्टीपल है? अगर तो t की वैल्यू पुट करने पर रिमाइंडर 0 आता है तो यस इट इज द फैक्टर ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल और पॉलिनोमियल इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ दिस. और अगर नहीं आता दैट मीन्स इट इज नॉट सो. सो फाइंड दिस, पुट दिस इक्वल टू 0. द वैल्यू ऑफ t इज -1/2. कल आपको याद है हमने सेकेंड एक्सरसाइज का लास्ट क्वेश्चन किया था, फाइंड द 0. जब भी आपने 0 फाइंड करनी है यू विल इक्वेट दैट इक्वल टू 0. आपने यहाँ इक्वल टू 0 किया, t की वैल्यू आ गई -1/2. आप पॉलिनोमियल में सब जगह पे t की वैल्यू -1/2 पुट कर दो. -1/8, 1/4 प्लस हाफ -1, ये कैंसिल, +1 आ गया यहाँ से, +1 -1 कैंसिल, ये आ गया -1/2 और +1/2. आंसर क्या आ गया? 0. तो यस 2t plus 1 is a factor of this qt and qt is a multiple of this 2t plus 1. Is it okay? Any doubt, anything you want to ask? Is it clear, beta? Now, if it is clear, if you are not having any doubt, then we can start the exercise 2.3 that is exactly based on this remainder theorem. What we have discussed, we will do in the third exercise. The same method we will opt for finding the remainder in the exercise 2.3. So the first part is, firstly, you will write the polynomial, that is px. The name of the polynomial is not given, but you will always name it first before starting. I have written the name. Now the first part is x plus 1. आपने क्या करना है? Find the remainder when this polynomial is divided by x plus 1. Find the remainder when this polynomial is divided by x plus 1. ये इसे डिवाइड करेगा, इसका मतलब ये इसका क्या बन जाएगा? फैक्टर. तो आपने चेक करना है कि ये इज इट सो, आपने रिमाइंडर फाइंड करना है. ये कंपल्सरी नहीं है कि ये इसका फैक्टर होगा ही, ये जरूरी नहीं है. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा तो यस इट इज अ फैक्टर, अगर नहीं आएगा तो नहीं है. लेकिन व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इन द क्वेश्चन इज दे आर आस्किंग फॉर फाइंडिंग द फैक्ट, फाइंडिंग द रिमाइंडर. तो रिमाइंडर मतलब पुट करके जो भी आएगा दैट इज योर रिमाइंडर. So you will equate this equal to 0, then value of x is -1. What you will do, you will put this value of x as -1 in whole of the polynomial. -1 plus 3 -3 plus 1. All will cancel out, remainder is 0. तो इसका मतलब रिमाइंडर कितना आ गया? रिमाइंडर कितना आ गया? 0. और इसका मतलब x plus 1 is a factor of px. और इसका एक और मतलब है कि -1 is the 0 of px. So why I am writing this thing? So that you can learn it at every step and you will revise it thoroughly. Otherwise, the question is finished till remainder equal to 0 because they are just want us to find the remainder. So remainder is your answer. but I have written these two things so that you can learn it and you can revise it again and again. Second part is x minus 1 by 2. Again, the polynomial is same. This is given. Now you will equate this equal to 0. The value of x is 1 by 2. Yesterday I have spoken one thing, that whenever the plus thing is given, the factor, the 0 is in negative. If it is already in negative, it will be positive. Now what you will do, you will again put this value of x as 1 by 2 in the polynomial, 1 by 2 whole cube, 3, 1 by 2 whole square, 3 times 1 by 2 plus 1. Now this is your 1 by 8, 3 by 4, 3 by 2 plus 1. No term will cancel out. You have to take LCM. LCM is 8. 1 plus, you will divide 8 by 4, 2, 6. Divide this, 4 3s are 12 plus 8. 27 by 8 is your remainder. Now, remainder is not equal to 0. That means this x minus 1 by 2 is not the factor and 1 by 2 is not the 0 of the polynomial. Is it okay? Is it clear, beta? Shall I start the next part? Do you have any doubt? Anyone having any doubt in this? Tell me, beta. Okay, third part is x. Only x is there. Third part is x. What you will do? You will equate x equal to 0. You will equate x equal to 0. So, value of x is 0. Put x as 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. Answer is 1. So here remainder is 1. Remainder is 1 and x is not a factor of px. And 0 is not the, 0 को put करके remainder 1 आ रहा है ना, इसका मतलब 0 is not the 0 of px. It is not the 0 of the polynomial. Next part is x plus pi. Fourth part is x plus pi. Equate x plus pi equal to 0. X is equal to minus pi. So put x as minus pi in the polynomial. Minus pi whole cube. 3 minus pi whole square minus pi plus 1. This is minus pi cube 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. And if we put the value of pi as 22 by 7, still we will not be able to get the remainder as 0. So you will leave it as it is. So remainder, ये आपका क्या आ गया? Remainder. And remainder is not equal to 0. This implies x plus pi is not the factor of px and minus pi is not the zero of px. Fifth part is 5 plus 2x equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 5. This is your constant. You will shift this term on the right hand side and you will keep 2x on this. Or you can shift minus 2x on the another side also. Both are same. This term will be same whatsoever method you will opt. आपके पास ये आ गया x की value. Now put this value of x here in the polynomial and solve it and get the minus 5 by 2 whole square 3 times minus 5 by 2 plus 1. This is minus 125 by 8, 75 upon 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1. Take LCM, minus 125 plus 150 minus 60 plus 8. This is 25. 25 minus 60 minus 35 plus 8. Minus 35 plus 8 minus 27 upon 8. So this is your remainder. That means 5 plus 2x is not the factor of the polynomial and minus 5 by 2 is not the zero of the polynomial. Any doubt? Any doubt, beta? The remainder theorem that we have discussed on page number 39, please learn that statement. That statement can be come in the form of true, false, blank, MCQ. So the statement should be on tips. And similar one more result is there that will be in the next exercise, that is factor theorem that you have to learn also. That is given on the page number 40. Now the next is question number 2. In question number 2, the polynomial is x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Give this name px and x minus a. Find the remainder when this polynomial px is divided by x minus a. Find the remainder when this polynomial is divided by x minus a. Remainder find करना है. So this question is exactly same as the first question. So equate this equal to 0. The value of x is a. Now put this value of x as a in this complete polynomial and get the remainder. A cube minus a cube 6a minus a. This will cancel out. 6a minus a is 5a. So when you have substituted x as a, 5a is the remainder. So remainder is 5a. As it is not completely satisfying the given polynomial, therefore x minus a is not the factor of the polynomial and a is not the zero of the polynomial. Is it okay? For a to be zero of the polynomial, the remainder should be 0. That means x minus a will not completely divide the given polynomial px if you go for the division method. Next is you have to check x plus 3, 7 plus 3x is a factor of this polynomial. ये polynomial है, give it name px. आपने ये चेक करना है कि 7 plus 3x इसका factor है या नहीं. Two methods are there. One, you can divide this given polynomial by this factor. If the remainder is 0, then yes, it is a factor. And one more thing is there. You will get the value of x from this and put in this polynomial. If the remainder is 0, then yes, it is a factor of the polynomial, otherwise no. So instead of division, I think you should go for the same method, that is remainder theorem. So compare 7 plus 3x equal to 0, 3x is equal to minus 7 and x is equal to minus 7 by 3. Okay. Now put this value of x as minus 7 by 3 in this complete polynomial. And I'm not solving this, I'm just writing. You please just solve it out and tell me the factor. Tell me the remainder. Is it 0? Solve this. 3 times minus 343 upon 27 minus 49 upon 3. Minus 343 upon 9 minus 49 upon 3. Take LCM. LCM is 9 minus 343 add them, minus minus plus, which is not equal to 0. So what does it mean? 7 plus 3x, 7 plus 3x is not the factor of px. With this, we have completed our exercise 3rd, and in the next class, we will start the factor theorem with examples and the next exercise.